Okay, let's add some musical math using notes that we learned in music class. So first off, let's identify some of these. I'm going to point to it on this music sheet in front of you. This is a half note, which gets 2 beats. This is a quarter note, which gets 1 beat. Looking across here, this is a whole note, which equals 4 beats. And again, there's another quarter note, which equals 1 beat. Another new note down here, the second one in, is a dotted half note, which equals 3 beats. Down here are 2 eighth notes hooked together. By themselves, they get a half a beat. So a half plus a half equals 1 for that combination right there. And then one other note, which is actually a rest up here. Yes, it means silence and you don't play, but it also has a note value of 1 beat. So you are silent for 1 beat. So that actually equals 1. So let's work on this together so you can see how this goes. So first off, the first one is a half note, which is 2 beats. The next note is 1 beat. 2 plus 1 would be the answer, numerical answer of 3. Going across. The next one is a whole note. A whole note gets 4 beats plus 1 beat. When you add them together, the answer now is 5. The next one down. Quarter note is 1 beat. Dotted half note is 3 beats. When you add them together, 1 plus 3 is 4. The next one, whole note, is 4 beats, plus a dotted half note, which is 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. The next one down, a half note is 2. A whole note is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. All right, here comes the tricky one. Quarter rest, remember we said gets 1 beat still, plus a dotted half note, which is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. The next one down, you have a half a beat plus a half a beat, plus a quarter note, which is 1. So you have your 2 eighth notes together, we said, which equals 1, right? 1 plus 1 is 2. The next one, 1 quarter note plus a half note, which is 2. 1 plus 2, the answer would be 3. And we have 2 eighth notes hooked together. Now we just said 2 of them together is 1 beat, plus 1 beat, because you have the same thing again. So 1 plus 1, the answer for this is 2. And the last one, dotted half note is 3 beats, plus your eighth notes, half plus a half is 1. So the answer for the bottom one is 4. All right, good luck with musical math.